Turns out I've been doing it wrong all these years. All the barbecuing kit. And then you see the cheap brand, the drum buck, and the expensive one, the Matador. It's the same job. But we got everything. Here we go. Egg rings. Even with little flip-up handles. Amazing. Pizza pan grippers, corn cob holders. Look at that, they've even got a burger press. Eh? Create uniform sized burger patties. You wouldn't want them odd sizes, would you? Roaster racks, toaster racks, chicken racks. Oh, there you go, bear claws. This is for meat shredding, so you can have that pulled pork and off the bone. Look at the thermometers. You've got to get the right temperature. No more guessing, no more, yeah, flip it once, it looks about right. Now we need to have all these gizmos. That one's only $3.98. And there, $20. Tongs, oh, gloves, look at this. Silicon pit gloves. Well, that's the thing, you're going to be a pit boss in the barbecue pit. Brush set. Basting set. Oh, you got to have the gear. Spray bottles. Marinade injectors. And we got steak knives. Pit boss shears. Barbecue pit slicer. A knife set. They got everything. You can really look the part. Salt bacon. Drop salt off your elbow. Oh, here we go. This one, look at the different types of cleaning stuff. Oh, you got that one. Looks dangerous. Oh, scourer. Oh, here's a 3-in-1. This is obviously for pit bosses. There you go. I guess it makes life easier, a lot easier. A mesh grill, a plate liner, fat absorbers. Wow. Marinade injectors, gas mate stuff. And your fire lighters. Now there's a charcoal fire starter, $10. There's one for $30 nearly. There's one for $40. Does exactly the same job as that one. Put the fire starters in the bottom, put your charcoal on top, light it from underneath. When it burns down to grey and glowing, throw it on. Why spend that much money? Mind boggles. There we go, $35. Oh, look at that, wow. I mean, it does the same job as this. And there you have your heat beads and your barbie, or apple wood, mesquite smoking chips, electric charcoal starter. Oh, that can be new. $39, you don't have to buy $1 cigarette lighter. Wood chip soaker. Well, you need that. That's going to soak. You can't just use a normal cup. You've got to have something like that. See? Samba's grilling pellets. Apple pellets. I think my rabbit will probably eat that. 4-pack tumbler combo. More heat beads. Charcoal. Wood chips. And mind boggles. And then we've got grills, smokers, all sorts of stuff. Rotisseries. There you go. That one's, you see got a motor here. You can plug it in. Saves you getting 2 dongs to turn it like they do in the Philippines. Little ovens. Gas control. So on. Here's just a few of the barbecues on offer. I thought we were getting fancy with my charcoal one having a hand operated blower. Bellows. There's all this. The thing is, I'm not a big fan of smoked meat myself. Usually too smoky. Well, they'll be trying to get rid of as many as they can as summer's coming to an end. Yeah, I got something like this, something a lot simpler without the electric, just a hand operated bellows or bill blower for the, cost me I think 50 bucks from the Leb shop. I am inspired to buy one of those charcoal starters. Yeah. Very good thing. So if you're sitting there carrying on forever. Pizza oven. Sheesh, $899. Wow. How many pizzas I can get for that. And all your citronella stuff to keep the mozzies away. You gotta love it.